Hi, welcome back to my channel at bizyjoe.com. So today I'll be showing you how you can promote your page and get massive massive members on your group. So I'm not just talking, I have a group on Facebook. I have a group on Facebook that are more than 500k members. Let me show you. So I'm not just talking anyhow, I'm talking from experience. I've already grown a group, a very big group on Facebook, on football group. So let me show you and also show you how I grow my group to that extent. Although it's not an easy stuff, although it's not easy per se, it will take time, but your effort will not. So as you can see on my list, all this Manchester FC group, this Manchester United news. This is about, let me know, is more than 400,000 members. So I'm the one that grew this group from scratch, from zero member till this particular stage. It's coming up. My network is too bad. So the group is now open. As you can see, this is 414.1k members. This is the number of members on this group, and this group is very active. It's a football group. So I'll also be showing you how to promote and grow your own group very easy. So I just created a new group. There's a group I just created, and the group is having zero member. This is the group Football Planet. So that's the new group. So if I want to promote this particular group, if I want to grow this particular group, what I will do is that this group is already on football niche. You always mind which niche this particular your group is. If your group, you are creating a group for entertainment, bear in mind that where you will also promote that group is in entertainment, because it's people that are interested on any niche that will also join your group to be getting information. Your group, first of all, is supposed to have content. Before you start promoting your group or doing anything, you're supposed to have content. Let's, for example, this is a football group. So any content that we're putting on this particular group must be football related. So I can, anytime that there is a match, I can come and maybe ask question. Maybe if there is a match, the current match, Man United vs Man City, Manchester United vs Man City, I can say drop your predictions. I'm asking them question to drop your, to predict, and you know that this thing is very high converting post, because people will be reacting, people will be engaging with this post a lot, because they will drop their prediction, they will comment, do this one. So I will post this thing on this new group. This the group, as you can see, this is only one member. I will post this thing on this group. So what I will do is that all the groups I will go to Facebook and join many football groups. I'll go to Facebook, search for many football groups, I'll go and join them. So anytime that I post, instead of posting on that group, what I will do is that I will post on my group, then I will share that stuff that I post on my group to that particular group. That's the way it's been done. There's no two ways about it. So what I need, I just click on share. Once I click on share, you can see share now to your friend. You can share it on your timeline, that's share to your friend, then share to feed, share in messenger. All these methods, they are good. All these methods, they are good, but it will not give you the instant constant number of members that you need. So but when you share it to a group, so I can click on share to a group, then you see the number of groups that I'm in now. As you can see, I'm joining so many football groups. So what I will do, if I should share this particular post, and bear in mind that this is for Manchester United, so I'll be sharing it to only Manchester United groups. I'll be sharing it to only Manchester. I can click on this, then the post, are you seeing now? The posts appear, and this is the page, this is the group. I can now see say drop. I can see write drop your prediction. So okay, I can say maybe drop your correct score. I can say drop your correct score. So people will now be engaging with this and post it. I will post it on this particular group. So I'm posting now on Manchester. This is where I'm posting on Manchester United news now. And this post will bear this particular where it's coming from, which is football what planet. So anybody that is engaging with this post on Manchester will also see where the post is coming from. So from there they will now click on football planet and join the group. And apart from that, once you have a group, Facebook will also help you to promote your group, that by default. So once your work is to promote it and get close to from 5,000 to 10,000 members, once you have from 5,000, once you're able to work hard and get close to 5,000 members or 10,000 members on that group, you don't need to do any work again. Your work have ended from there. This particular group now, this that my group, what I was able to get 10,000 members. I was working day night. Once I hit that 10,000 members on this group, I just rest. Since then I have not been promoting this group. So by default Facebook will show your group to members. Facebook will show your group people that are interested. You will see suggested group, then people will start to join your group. Another thing, for a new group, you don't close the group for people to share posts. For a new group, you just leave it open. You just leave it open so that people can post anything. People can post. Then you also have your group rule. People can post. But once it starts growing, maybe you start having 20,000 members, 30,000 members, you need to close the group, because some people will come and spam those groups. They'll start posting some things, and those things will not affect your group growth, because at that stage you are not the one promoting your group. Facebook is not the one promoting it for you. Do you understand? So when people now start putting some content that are not relevant to the group, Facebook will, because people will now start leaving the group. And when people start leaving the group, Facebook machine will dictate maybe this group that there's no value people are getting on it. So that's why they are leaving. So they will stop to promote your group. Then you will start seeing a drop on the number of people that normally join your group on a daily basis. So once the group start growing, there is a need to limit it and put some restriction even on what people share, number of things you do. So this is just exactly how you can be able to grow your group. You can even those sharing to those groups now, other groups now, some of those group are restricted. The admin don't allow people to share post on their group. So you can even contact the admin, maybe have a deal with the person so the person can allow you to share post on the group. Then you can use the opportunity to also grow your own group. And once you have a group like this, people can pay you to advertise. That's one benefit of having a group, big number of group. So people can pay you to advertise. Even bloggers can come. Maybe I want to have access to your group. I want to be sharing my content on your group. Then you reach agreement with them. They will pay you every month. So from that you start making some money through your group. So that's the purpose of having a group. And this is also how you can easily promote your group on Facebook. So if you find any value in this training, please do well to subscribe to our channel, and also remember to share this video with your friends and family. So thanks for watching this video.